How you doing, guys? I said I'd just give you a quick walk through, since the good weather's coming up, of the lineup of Husqvarna Strimmers we have in stock at the moment. So starting off there being your Husqvarna 122C, which will be the start of strimmer we'd keep, which visually there, it's a bench shaft, which is very, very easy and very lightweight. But the reason of the bench shaft, it's far easier if you were to do edging. If you're going around the edges of the lawn, that bench shaft allows you to have a more straighter angle when you're going across your edges like so. A machine like that, it costs €200 including VAT. It's a 22cc engine, 2-stroke as well. Okay. Moving up then, we have our most popular strimmer that we'd sell here in Clarkes, which would be a 129LK, which would be a 28cc engine, again 2-stroke Husqvarna, and it's a straight shaft, so it is quite a long shaft on it. Very handy if you were to do higher areas and of course for bigger areas. It's also a split shaft, as you can see right here. So all you do is twist off the knob like so and lift that wee pin off so you can split it into two parts. Well, most importantly, it's very easy to store, so it's almost half the size, so it's visually it is very long, so it is very easy to store. But also, more importantly, down the line you can also give you the option to buy attachments for it. So you have a couple of attachments there. You have your hedge trimmer attachment, you have your pruner attachment or a chainsaw attachment. You do also have two edging attachments, so they can just click on like so once you just lift off your split shaft, and if you do go around the edges of the lawn, just like so with that blade once it's on, like so, similar to the bench shaft one we have there on display. Next in the lineup then, we have a 525 RGX, slightly more powerful and a more durable engine compared to the 129LK. This one here is not a split shaft, it's just purely a straight shaft, doesn't split at all. Another, again, very popular machine, and that's priced at $511, including VAT. The last one we have in our lineup here is a 535LK. This is a big lad here, so probably considered a more commercial machine, more so than the other ones, which are domestic. Loop handlebar, same to them all. It's a 35cc, again, 2-stroke engine, and this here again is a split shaft, so it allows you to store it easier and gives you that option if you were to get obviously your different attachments as well. So we do have these couple here at the moment in Clarkes of Cavan, so if any of these you find are suitable for your lawn, you can call in here, you can see the whole lineup. You can ring myself or any other sales guys on 083 131 5178, or as I said, and the other sales guys are there as well. We do have a massive stock of these at the moment, especially with the good weather coming up, so if you do have a keen interest or you are on the market for a strimmer, you know where to come.